Photos with the rock.
Ha? Ano?
Photos with the rock.
Photos with...
Sa bato. Bato.
One. Okay. Photos with the rock. Ayun pa. We're gonna ride a boat here. Oh, I hope it's recording. In the boat. With my baby girl. Yeah.
到达第二站，我们会给各位充足的时间，好去吃饭。好，那你们如果不吃正餐，这边也蛮多。
来到了台湾的野坛啊， 最主要的旅游方式还是搭船游湖。今天啊，服务了我们在3站的皇家进这站这里啊，有一个野坛，一个道地土特产，就是刚才我们师导小易提到的。
Oh, Hawaii say.
Just realize, pag pumasok pala tayo, papasukin kasi ano.
Oy, smile. Picture tayo dito. Gusto mo? Dali lang. We're gonna buy some food first. What you like? Coffee?
Hindi, ano yan? I-egg in. May wallet ko, may barya ka?
Yeah, how much you need? How much you need? Akit tayo sa hagdan, be. Ay, kainin mo muna. Okay. She's gonna walk. Ha?
Parking lot lang yan.
Parking lot? Oh.
Basta dito yata.
Yeah, it's a parking lot and toilet. Yeah, we go there.
这首歌是我们台湾唯一一首得过最佳年度歌曲奖，在金曲奖得奖大陆。
We buy egg. I don't know what is this, but it's very hot. It's a tea egg. Okay. We bought a tea egg. It's very hot. Wow! Kawaii-se! Rosel is tired. We're going back to the boat.
我的音乐的朋友啊，尽量收藏回去，这是我们台湾的文化。大家，台湾绕一圈啊，很难得台湾的文化，这是台湾人的故事跟台湾的文化，大家尽量把它带回去，收藏回去啊。
这个行程当中的一打赏，要记得的。